Did you know you can make thousands of dollars just by launching books? And guess what? You don't even have to write the book yourself. So if you've ever dreamed of creating a successful book business without the daunting task of writing, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned because we're about to reveal how you can tap into this powerful free platform. Join us on this thrilling journey as we harness the power of AI to create a mesmerizing storybook and witness firsthand the wonders of modern technology shaping the future of storytelling. So grab your pens, keyboards, or even just your wildest ideas, and let's venture forth into the boundless realm of storytelling with ChatGPT as our creative ally. Hey guys, thanks for buzzing in again to the Digital Wealth Hive. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover exciting opportunities to skyrocket your income and create the life you deserve. Listen up, aspiring entrepreneurs. Prepare to embark on an exciting voyage into the world of narrative as we embark on the adventure of creating full, engaging storybook. And here's the most important part. There's no need to worry about writer's block or running out of creative energy. We can tap into the brilliance of AI to seamlessly produce the entire story for us, right from the first word to the heart-pounding finale, thanks to the cutting-edge technology of ChatGPT. The idea for this business came to me while browsing Amazon for prospective passive income possibilities. After doing some research, I noticed that the children's motivational books were making money online. There is also low competition in this niche. There have been successful sellers who earn thousands of dollars by utilizing the Amazon KDP platform for free publication. Here are some examples of sellers making money with these motivational children's books in particular. This book has made over $73,000. And this particular book is making over $41,000. You might be wondering how this magic works, so let's get into the details. ChatGPT is a complex linguistic model that has been trained and has improved its capacity to recognize context, grammar, and storytelling elements. It's like having a brilliant ghostwriter at our disposal, ready to develop amazing stories that will fascinate readers of all ages. The process to follow is simple yet fascinating, to say the least. We merely provide ChatGPT with a prompt, such as a unique thought or engaging idea, and voila! In a matter of seconds, our AI-powered companion has woven together a compelling and intriguing story from the first page. ChatGPT's unlimited inventiveness has us covered, whether it's an enchanted fairy tale or an action-packed adventure. For example, we might want ChatGPT to generate a title for a tale, or we might want to create our own, such as magical mindset adventures, affirmations for little dreamers. Then we request that ChatGPT generate the narrative details for us. The chatbot would then generate the chapters as you see here, and each chapter would include detailed descriptions of the scene. Now that we've outlined an epic plot, the real magic begins as we dive into crafting the heart-pounding content that will keep readers on the edge of their seat. This is when artificial intelligence truly shines. Simply copy and paste the first chapter into the chat, then set the prompt to write a rhythm story, and then sit back and watch the AI spin a mesmerizing tale. In this case, we've done a motivational storybook. If you don't quite vibe with the initial results, no worries. We've got the power to regenerate and fine-tune until we're absolutely thrilled with the story's essence. I'm not kidding, y'all. The entire process took only a few minutes. We now have a comprehensive story that is ready to be turned into an engaging book. And the icing on the cake? This literary treasure is your golden ticket to passive income without even raising a pen. It's never been more exciting to let your imagination run wild. We all know that having a great narrative idea isn't enough. Pictures are the magic touch that brings stories to life. We don't have time to search for and hire artists. We're ready to earn our passive income now. So how can we quickly create art for our book? What if I told you that the visually appealing images you see on the screen were created by an AI art generator? And the greatest part is that it won't cost you a penny. You've probably heard about the wonders of AI art, how it can whip up original images with just a few words as input. That's precisely what we can do to the story. With AI art generators readily available, the possibilities are endless. We can experiment with various platforms, but for now, let's use Midjourney. It's my favorite one. And guess what? You can try it out for absolutely free. Find the link below this video in the comment section and immerse yourself in the boundless creativity of countless users generating awe-inspiring images every second. Here's how it works. Begin by starting a prompt with / and imagine. From there, paint a vivid picture of the image you desire to create. Then, head back to the story chapters you've created before using ChatGPT and pick the first one, get a visual, and type the prompt into Midjourney. Try to be as specific and as detailed as possible. Now that we've created these mesmerizing images, we can now merge our story with our artwork using Canva. To begin, go to canva.com and search for Storybook, and then choose Build a Blank Storybook. After that, upload the AI-generated photographs to Canva and just drag and drop your first image into the design. Place your first image on the canvas. Then go back to ChatGPT and use the rhymes or story that you created and copy and paste the text on top of the image on Canva. You can edit the photos with different colors and fonts that appeal to you. If you want us to make a video guide on how to use Canva, feel free to comment down below. Okay, now back to ChatGPT and the details of our story. Go back to ChatGPT and copy each part of the story and create the visuals to go along with it in Midjourney. We will continue this process until we have the words and pictures complete for our whole book. When you are through, save the book as a PDF. Congratulations, you've successfully built your first storybook, and there's just one step left to start earning passive income. Publish your book on Amazon KDP. And there you have it. Imagine the possibilities. We can explore uncharted worlds and breathe life into unique characters. You've just witnessed how AI seamlessly transforms your imagination into reality. The result, an evergreen book that is not only compelling and impactful, but it can make you money while you sleep. So gather your inspiration, and with the help of AI, you can create a storybook that will transport readers to worlds beyond imagination. Congratulations, wealth building creators. You've opened the door to a whole new universe of wealth building opportunities with AI technology. In this adventure, we've explored the secrets of turning ideas into thriving businesses with the help of artificial intelligence. Don't miss out on the next chapter of our AI-driven journey. Hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop and the first to discover the latest strategies and innovations in the world of digital wealth. Thank you for being part of this journey. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, your gateway to living life on your own terms, reminding you to be wealthy. Until next time, bye.